Happy New Year. I promised you a very short video and I'm sticking to it. At the time this video was recorded, we had 430 subscribers. When we hit 500, that's going to be a major milestone. Number one, it's halfway to my goal of 1,000. Number two, 500 subscribers allows me to start posting information on your YouTube timeline. We'll talk a lot more about that later. For those of you who ask the best way to help me grow my channel, watch the videos. Watch time is very important to YouTube. Hit the like button. Add comments. If there's a video you really like, share to social media every now and then. And of course, subscribe. That doesn't cost anything, but you do need to set up a free account with YouTube. You only want to subscribe once. If you hit the subscribe button again, you'll actually unsubscribe. The cookbook. Guys, this turned out to be a much more labor-intensive project than I ever imagined. Between caring for my elderly dad and now having a part-time job where I'm babysitting, it's really hard to find the time. I'm not throwing the cookbook off the table, but it isn't going to happen anytime super soon, so just bear with me. Obviously, eventually I'm going to run out of my own recipes, so sometimes I do blind recipes, or sometimes you guys send me recipes I've never made before. Please keep doing that. I love it. But you have my word, if I make something and I don't like it, I'm not going to post it. That way you can be sure of the integrity of the channel. I'm still waiting for people to come and do Cooking with Friends. I definitely want to have Leslie back because those videos are not only super fun to make, Leslie is a fantastic cook. I'm hoping she'll do some more this year. Also, I definitely want to continue with Cooking with Kids. I hope to bring Jade back as well as bringing Maddie back. Also, I do have a couple of other kids lined up that are interested. So if you're interested in doing a grown-up Cooking with Friends, 2023 is your year. Also, I plan to make more videos with my dad. You guys have let me know you love videos with him, so we're going to keep doing those as long as he feels like it. What's new? First time I've told anyone else this. I'm working on building another channel. Now, that does not mean anything is going to happen to That's My Jam. It absolutely will not. I'm going to keep cooking. But I'm considering doing a second channel. Content for that channel will be announced later, so you're just going to have to keep tuning in to hear about that. That's it for the State of the Union. I hope you guys have a happy, healthy, prosperous 2023. I'll see you soon. In the meantime, turn off the TV, turn on some music, and just keep jamming.